When we want to talk about one person, animal or thing, we use is. The verb is used with he, she, it and singular nouns. Examples: he is a boy, she is a girl, it is a cat. Raj is eating. The bag is heavy. When we want to talk about ourselves, we use I am. The verb am is used only with I and always follows it. Some examples are: I am a boy, I am a girl, I am reading, I am a student. When we want to talk to or about another person, we use you are. The verb are is used with you. Examples: you are a boy, you are a girl, you are studying, you are reading.